Yes, Mr.
As a court, please, my lord. Yesterday we adjourned early as accused number 1 was indisposed,
Yes.
and the court ordered that he be medically examined and that a medical certificate be presented. The state has been put in possession of a medical certificate which will mark Exhibit Triple K,
Okay.
which confirms that accused number 1 was medically examined regarding the complaints that he had, and that certain medication was prescribed for him. We haven't checked, my lord, as to whether he's in a position to continue today. We tried to establish that from Mr. Mgomezulu, but he had not as yet talked to him about that as he's just arrived, my lord.
Yes, what is the position, Mr. Mgombezo?
Court, please, my lord. My lord spoke to accused number 1. He's in a position to proceed.
Yes.
In a position to proceed.
Oh, I see.
Court, please.
Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. Let's begin then. You're still on our oath, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Just before we proceed, can we just hand up the updated list of exhibits? I've provided to my colleagues with a copy.
Okay.
What is new, my lord, is on page that regards the cell phone data on page 6, item number 73.
73. Okay.
Yes, number 73. Exhibit DD5A is the supplementary affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Hose.
Right.
Exhibit DD5B is the additional statement of Lieutenant Colonel Hose depicting communication amongst the accused.
Right.
Exhibit DD5 in bracket C is the affidavit of Lieutenant Colonel Hose setting out communication between accused number 3 and 5. Exhibit DD5 in bracket C in brackets 1 is a supplementary affidavit of Colonel Stein correcting the cell phone number of accused number 3 to 0727668169, and the affidavit is dated 17 May 2024. Then we have the section 205 cell phone data of the accused. Exhibit DD5 in brackets D Roman figure 1 is the data for cell phone number 0793790137, and DD5D Roman figure 2 is data for cell phone number 060774749, both numbers for accused number 1. Then exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1 is set of data for cell phone number 06090168890, and DD5E Roman figure 2, it's cell phone data for cell phone number 0762648460, both belonging to accused number 2. Then exhibit DD5 in brackets F Roman figure 1, cell phone data for cell phone number 0727668169, and exhibit DD5 in brackets F Roman figure 2, cell phone data for cell phone number 08295632220 for accused number 3. Then exhibit DD5 in bracket G, cell phone data for cell phone number 071-395-3801, which consists of part A and part B for accused number 4. Then exhibit DD5 in bracket H, Roman figure 1, is data for cell phone number 07330-59202. Then exhibit DD5H, Roman figure 2, is for cell phone number 07664-27007. Then exhibit DD5H, Roman figure 3, is data for cell phone number 072-399-5787. Then exhibit DD5H, Roman figure 4, is data for cell phone number 082-585-9759. Then exhibit DD5H, Roman figure 5, is data for cell phone number 0788-798-335. Then exhibit DD5H, Roman figure 6, is for cell phone number 071-3029-173. And exhibit DD5H, Roman figure 7, it's data for cell phone number 071-595-1239, all for accused number 5.
Okay.
Then number 74 is exhibit DD in bracket 6, is the affidavit of Ms. Pinky Vi Thillingham and chain statements on which the application for a subpoena was based regarding a subpoena for call-related data for several numbers arising out of Mpumalanga investigation. Then on page 7, there's nothing new there. Then on page 8, number 90, item number 90, exhibit triple E in bracket 7 is the affidavit in terms of section 236, Act 51 of 1977 from Standard Bank regarding account information and bank statement of M. Sibiya, accused number 1. Then exhibit triple E in brackets 8 is the affidavit in terms of section 236, Act 51 of 1977 from Absa Bank regarding account information and bank statement of F. Ntuli, accused number 5. Exhibit triple G in bracket 1 is the application for a section 205 subpoena and authorization. Exhibit triple G in brackets 2 is the affidavit of Ms. Pinky Vi Thillingham, forensic license supervisor at Vodacom, regarding the supply of call-related data for the number 0727-668-169 belonging to accused number 3. And we cross-reference it to exhibit DD5 in brackets F, Roman figure 1 for the set of data for that number. Then exhibit triple H is a statement of Constable Jabulani Dominic Butelezi of Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, dated 30 May 2020. Then exhibit triple J is the application for section 205 subpoena and supporting affidavit, authorization for the subpoena, and affidavit of Ms. Pinky Vi Thillingham, Vodacom forensic license supervisor, pertaining to the supply of call-related data and RICA information for the numbers of Ms. Kelly Kumalo, Mr. Sello Twala, which is used by Mr. Longe Twala, and the late Mr. Senzo Meyiwa. Then Exhibit Triple J2 is the SIM swap transaction on the cell number of the deceased. Then Exhibit Triple J in brackets 3, this is, my lord, is a duplication of the already existing Exhibit DD in bracket 6.
Okay.
Then number 97, Exhibit Triple J4 is the affidavit of Ms. Pinky Vaithilingam and chain statements on which an application for a subpoena is based regarding call-related data for several numbers arising out of Mpumalanga investigation. Then Exhibit Triple J5 is the affidavit of Ms. Pinky Vaithilingam regarding a subpoena for call-related data for several numbers arising out of Mpumalanga investigation, which, as we pointed, are not really relevant for the current case. Then Exhibit Triple J6 is the affidavit of Ms. Pinky Vaithilingam and chain statements on which an application for a subpoena is based, and authorization regarding correlated data for several IMEI numbers arising out of Mpumalanga investigation. Then Exhibit Triple J in bracket 7 is the 2 tower location maps depicting Ben Rose Base Station and George Koch Hostel. Then Exhibit Triple J in brackets 8, which will hopefully be handed in today, will be the RICA information on several numbers arising out of Mpumalanga investigation. And the exhibit that has been handed now, Triple K, it's the medical certificate of accused number 1.
Okay. Yes, thanks. We all have this amended. Okay, thanks. Yebo.
As a please. Page 31.